Warm and humid as you begin your day, but at least it won't be a washout. We will need to stay weather aware later today, though. Brittany, what's happening with those storms?
That's exactly right. It's really going to be after sunset through the overnight hours that we're going to see the storms moving in from the northwest. That's where we have that level 3 enhanced risk. And then they'll be tracking through North Texas, head down to the southeast very early on Monday morning, likely weakening a little bit as they do so. But we still could get large hail, damaging winds, even localized flooding. That's just the first round that we're going to start Memorial Day with very early in the morning. We're talking around 3 to maybe 6 a.m. We'll have some dry time, I think, during the midday hours, and then another round developing later in the afternoon. That round also has the potential of severe storms, and that's why we have that level 2 slight risk across North Texas. But first alert satellite and radar this morning, just a couple of high clouds, definitely seeing a lot of those blue skies out there. And it's warm and muggy again this morning. We're at 76 in Denton and McKinney, 74 in Waxahachie. Cleburne waking up to 75 degrees. We will have that breezy southerly wind again today, helping to draw in that moisture. So once again, heat index values are going to climb to near the triple digits. But if you're hanging out by the pool today, you're looking good during the daytime hours. As we get closer to about 5 to 7 p.m., that's when an isolated storm could bubble up out ahead of the line we're expecting overnight. But most of us are going to stay dry. Today, it's tomorrow that we're going to see those rain chances really going up. So here's first alert futurecast. We're starting at 8 a.m. We do have some high clouds around. Those clouds will be breaking up over the next couple of hours. A lot of sunshine today. And then here's 4 to 5 o'clock. Notice just a very isolated storm possible. I think it would mainly be east of I-35. Then by 8 o'clock, that's when we're really watching out to the west for that line of storms to move in, likely getting closer to I-35 very early tomorrow morning. Miles not in great agreement on the exact timing of this, so I do think it's going to be in the wee hours, around midnight to about 4 a.m. We'll be tracking those storms moving through the area, likely quieting down a bit the closer we get to sunrise. Then we have some dry time during the middle part of the day, maybe even getting some of that sunshine, which would add to the instability. Then with that daytime heating and front stalled out to our south, we could get another round of storms late afternoon into the evening hours. These would also have that potential of large hail and damaging winds as well. Localized flooding is going to be a concern for us because we have so much moisture around. We're going to get very high rainfall rates with these thunderstorms. And if they develop over the same spots, that's where we could get some flash flooding, especially south of I-20. But here's a look at that Memorial Day forecast. The clouds and rain around are going to help keep our temperatures down. We'll likely see those highs around 78 to 80 degrees tomorrow, but we have multiple chances of rain on the way. We're getting into an unsettled pattern, so around 3 to 5 inches of rain possible across North Texas over the next 7 days. And that first alert 7-day forecast is showing cooler temperatures next week with highs in the lower 80s and mornings starting off in the 60s.